So the OPTIMA Ultimate Street Car Invitation it's what we're all shooting for. It's to see who has the ultimate street car. And we spend hours and if not thousands of hours building our cars that are perfectly good from factory, especially the newer cars. Maybe not this one. That's not really the best from factory, but you know, we're out to compete and see what we can do, see how fast we can go. And the thing about the invitation is you can't just be good at one thing. You have to be good at autocross. You have to be good at the big track. You have to be good at speed stop, which is acceleration and braking. Try doing that, you know, in any other organization. You don't have to. Oh, and it's a SEMA car. So it has to look the part, and you have to actually put time and effort into 8 or 9 different categories to make it the ultimate street car. You could have the fastest car, but you're not going to win the Invitational by having just the fastest car. And that's kind of what I love about this series. Is it's a huge test of engineering and driver, and put those two together. I mean, what other competition out there is like it? I don't know of any.